Next, let us understand some more tags in HTML. In the coming section, we will discuss some of the common HTML elements that are frequently used in an HTML document. Heading tags H1 to H6. These tags are used to define different heading levels in an HTML document. These are basically used to emphasize the text. There are 6 heading levels, H1 to H6. The H1 heading style displays the text in the largest size and is mainly used for main headings. The lower levels are used for subheadings and less important things. It is not essential to use these heading levels in hierarchy. These heading tags are written within the body tag of the document. HTML Head Title using heading styles /title /head Body H1 Kipps Publishing World H1 /H1 H2 Kipps Publishing World H2 /H2 H3 Kipps Publishing World H3 /H3 H4 Kipps Publishing World H4 /H4 H5 Kipps Publishing World H5 /H5 H6 Kipps Publishing World H6 /H6 /body /HTML. P tag. To display a long piece of text on a web browser, paragraph element P is used, which marks a block of text as a paragraph. To mark the end of a paragraph, /P element is used. When you start another paragraph, the web browser will leave one line between the two paragraphs. A paragraph can be aligned using the attribute align. It can be used as follows. P tag starts a new paragraph. P align equals to double quote in center double quote close aligns the text to the center. P align equals to double quote in right double quote close aligns the text to the right side. P align equals to double quote in left double quote close aligns the text to the left side. P align equals to double quote in justify double quote close aligns the text evenly between both left and right margins. Students note that align attribute can also be given with heading tag, font tag or paragraph tag. Center tag. The center tag is used to align the text to the center of the page or any table cell. To center the text, type center opening tag before the text and type /center closing tag after the text. BR tag. Sometimes we require line breaks in our document so as to end the lines after short pieces of information. These breaks are significant while writing a poem or an address. You can introduce a line break into your HTML document with the help of BR tag. It splits the line and displays the text on a new line. It is like an enter key on a keyboard, which takes the cursor on the next line towards the left margin on the screen. Syntax BR. HR tag. This tag is used as a separator between blocks of text. It draws a horizontal line across the page. It is an empty element and has no end tag. Type HR, where you want to insert a horizontal line in between the text. Syntax HR. B tag. The B tag is used when you need to emphasize the text. Type B before typing the text that you want to display as bold and then type /B to close the tag. Example B. Kids Pool, a computer course, /B. I tag. To draw the attention of the reader to any important information, I tag is used. This tag marks up the text in italic style. Typing the text between I and /I tags will change the specified text to italics. Example, I, Kipps Publishing World, /I. U tag. This tag underlines the text enclosed in its on and off tags, that is, U and /U respectively. Example, UCYL, a practicing software to consolidate your learning, /U. Let me give you a tip. U tag is restricted to HTML4 only and it is not recognized in HTML5. HTML, head, title, creating paragraph /title, /head, body, center, P, B, Kipps, CYL, /B, /P, P, U, a practicing software to consolidate your learning, /U, /P, P, I, designed by Kipps Learning Solution, BR, B13, Sector 83, BR, Noida 201305, /I/P, /center, /body, /HTML.